and that topic is quarter wave matching. See, whatever we have developed about ultrasound, we got to understand about the absorption of ultrasound, reflection of ultrasound, acoustic impedance, like that, right? Let us suppose now there is a short electric shock which is being applied to the piezoelectric material. Piezoelectric material I have already talked about. So suppose there is 4 ultrasonic pulse which is generated because of that, and 2 at each face of the crystal. So the 2 pulses travel back into the transducer, and 1 pulse from the back travels into the backing block, and 1 pulse from the front travels into the patient tissue. Now that we have discussed everything, how is this acoustic impedance of the backing block is matched to that of the crystal, so that the sound directed away from the patient will be transmitted into and absorbed by the backing block. And there is another important consideration over here is transmission of this ultrasonic wave into the patient with a minimum loss of energy. This can be utilized by the use of mineral oil between the transducer surface and the patient's skin. What it will serve? It will serve as an effective means of transmitting the energy from the transducer to the patient. Another method of improving energy transfer is that of mechanical impedance matching. So now let us suppose there is a layer of material, and that layer is called as matching layer of suitable thickness and characteristic impedance. Now this is placed on a front surface of the transducer, so the energy is transmitted into the patient more efficiently. So the thickness of the matching layer must be equal to the 1/4 the wavelength of the sound. You understand what I said? The thickness of the matching layer must be equal to 1/4 of the wavelength of sound in the matching layer, and this is called as quarter wave matching. Got it? Hi everyone, how are you all? So today, actually in the last sessions I have told you that I will be finishing CT one day and ultrasound one day. So today I am coming up with a new topic, and that topic is quarter wave matching. See, whatever we have developed about ultrasound, we got to